Namaste, welcome to Dab Food. Hope everyone is doing good. So today's video is a simple and quick backdrop idea for any pujas which you can make in minutes. So let's get doing. So I have laid the background with the serial lightings. If you would like to know how I did, I will just leave a link in the I button or in the description. And then I hang this yellow and a red colored. Um, these are artificial flowers which I've hanged on both the sides. You can always hang fresh flowers if available. Simply I've just pinned them up, and in the center portion I have used a bright color Banaras dupatta which I have. You can use any plain dupattas also if you have, which is having little shiny material to highlight. And going with contrast color, I've added another dupatta in the center. I've just pleated them like this, and both have golden dot so that they can be paired easily. So I've chose like this and just pinned up at this side on the backdrop. So this is how easy and simply we can just create a simple and quick backdrop. So in the center I have more flowers. We're going with the theme. Just in the center I've pinned the two more flowers, and I will continue with this. So totally I have used 6 flower garlands and 2 dupattas for this backdrop. That's it. Within minutes you can create this backdrop. So even these lightings and all are not important. You can do it on any plain wall also. It looks so beautiful in that as well. So this is how simple and quick we can make this backdrop. You can use it for simple pujas. I've used it in Tulsi Puja. You can even use it for small birthday parties if you choose a floral theme. So this is how I've decorated it within minutes. You can also recreate and vary it accordingly. If you have more flowers, you can add. So I thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe. Namaste.